power of conversation. Have you ever thought about the people you've met today? How many of them did you actually talk to? Conversations are the building blocks of our relationships. They're bridges that connect us to others, and they shape our lives in profound ways. In this video, we'll explore the art of conversation and discover how to connect with anyone, anywhere. The importance of conversation. Conversations are more than just exchanging words. They're opportunities to learn, grow, and build meaningful connections. Every stranger you meet is a potential friend, a mentor, or even a lifelong companion. So why do we often shy away from conversations? Breaking the ice. The first step to having a great conversation is to simply start talking. Don't overthink it. A simple hello can open doors to new friendships and exciting opportunities. The first word, floodgates. Once you've said that initial hello, the floodgates open. The conversation starts to flow more naturally. Remember, the goal is to connect, not to impress. Skip the small talk. Instead of getting stuck in the rut of "How are you?" and "What's new?" Zrania, ask a personal question. People love to talk about themselves, so give them the opportunity to share their stories. Find common ground. Look for shared interests or experiences. Finding common ground can help you connect with someone on a deeper level. Give genuine compliments. Everyone loves a sincere compliment, but avoid generic ones like "You're so nice." Instead, focus on specific qualities or achievements that you admire. Ask open-ended questions. Open-ended questions encourage people to share more details and keep the conversation flowing. Avoid yes or no questions that can lead to dead ends. Listen actively. When someone is speaking, give them your full attention. Show that you're interested by maintaining eye contact, nodding, and asking follow-up questions. Be present. Put your phone away and focus on the conversation. Being present shows that you value the other person's time and attention. Remember the details. People love it when you remember their names, their favorite things, and important events in their lives. It shows that you care. Conversation is a powerful tool that can enrich our lives in countless ways. By following these tips, you can become a more confident and engaging conversationalist. So the next time you meet a stranger, take a chance and start talking. You might be surprised by what you discover. Subscribe to our channel for more tips and insights on personal and professional development. Leave a comment sharing your biggest takeaway from this video. Share this video with someone who could benefit from it.